So show of hands, who is slacking on their holiday gifting, guys? I know a couple of you guys behind the camera are, and you know what? That's okay, because here I am to help you guys actually pick up last minute Christmas gifts if you guys are trying to cop stuff for sneakerheads. So we actually have 4 total unboxings for you guys today, so a lot of sneakers we're gonna be seeing in this video, and I'll show you guys exactly where you guys can cop these things, because I know a lot of you guys do need to pick up gifts, and even if they're a little bit late maybe for Christmas, it's still better to cop now rather than later. So actually what we're gonna be doing today is going over a tier list for holiday shopping, or like a holiday buyer's guide for sneakerheads. So let's check out what we got, guys. So starting it off is the budget tier, and the budget tier is like where you guys want to go if you guys are trying to save money but you do want to get a nice pair of sneakers for that sneakerhead, whether it be a female, male, whatever it is, guys. This is the budget tier. And the best bang for your buck in the budget tier is actually right here. It is a Jordan 1 model, and if you guys can guess what this is, it is Jordan 1 Bloodlines, guys. And I've hyped this shoe up a lot because it really is just a solid pair, and for the price, guys, you guys really can't go wrong. Like, anybody you pick this up for will love this sneaker. Quality of materials and stuff used on the Jordan 1 Bloodline is very, very premium. You guys can see it's good quality leather back here. Nice aesthetic with these red outlines running throughout the shoe. Classic kind of like bread kind of look without the Jordan 1 bread price. Really like this one a lot, and again, for the price that you guys can pick these up for on GOAT, I think it's really, really worth it. If you guys actually head over to GOAT app right now, I'll link it in the description below if you guys don't have it so you guys can download it, but if you guys head over to GOAT app over here, basically you guys can see that these prices are in a very solid range right now, where they're going for about $155 to $180, which is essentially retail for these shoes, and sometimes even under retail. So this is the best chance to cop a highly coveted shoe that a lot of people will enjoy for a very solid price when you guys can go through GOAT. And as a heads up for you guys, if you guys see these like little green arrows under a sneaker, that means it's able to like be instantly shipped from GOAT warehouses, so it could probably get to you guys in about 2 to 3 days, which is perfect timing for the late Christmas shoppers who need a great Christmas gift. So highly recommend you guys take advantage of that. If not, it probably, depending on when you guys watch this video, it might end up coming after Christmas, which is, yeah, it's okay. Late presents are cool, but yeah, if you can get the instant ship, that is like the best recommendation for you guys. Again, budget tier, Jordan 1 Bloodline. Check it out. Now, as a slight upgrade from the budget tier, we have the next sneaker, which I'm going to dub as the best bang for your buck tier, which people will love you for this sneaker. Trust me, if you guys get this for like any kind of like female sneakerhead, male sneakerhead, friend, family member, whatever it is, guys, they will love you if you get this one. Nike box over here, and actually the first time I'm seeing it in person, guys, because we have a pair of the Jordan 11 Breads, guys, the ones that just came out. You guys know what it is. If you guys didn't get a pair, I mean, this is why you guys want to go to GOAT app, because they do have a lot of pairs on there, and the price is actually not bad at all. This is what it looks like. Classic Jordan 11 Bread, one of the best colorways and one of the best sneaker models ever made for the Jordan line, and just a really nice aesthetic with that patent leather up here, and just the color scheme is like perfect, guys. One of the best sneakers ever made, and just an instant classic and an instant hit for whoever you want to cop this for, even if it's for yourself, guys. Gotta treat yourself on Christmas as well, right? This is the best bang for your buck tier. These sneakers are currently going on GOAT app for about $300 or so, and I think that's a good investment because these things will only continue to go up over time. So this is like still a good time to cop, man. Like, you don't want to miss out on this window, because eventually these things will be going for like $400 or even $500 down the line. So cop it on GOAT app today, 300 bucks. It's a classic. Everybody knows this sneaker. You guys need to have this in your collection. And now we're getting into a tier that is maybe not for everybody, guys. I'm gonna call this one the baller tier, because you need to be balling to get this kind of money to like buy these sneakers and stuff for Christmas, man. Christmas gifts can be more affordable, which is why we have the budget tier, but for the people that have a higher bankroll, this is the tier for you guys, because these prices go for about $350 to $500, and I actually picked out the best shoe in this range as well. This one is a Jordan 1 Mid. And again, all of these sneakers were purchased from GOAT, which is why they have this GOAT sticker right here and the GOAT authentication card, so you know it's legit. But for the sneaker that we actually have, and possibly one of the most fire sneakers of the year, the Jordan 1 Mid Clot. Now this is a fire shoe, guys. I have not seen this in person until now, and trust me, I am super stoked over this because this is a crazy shoe, definitely worthy of the baller tier. When you guys look at this up close, this is a silk upper, which if you guys like wear away at the silk and stuff, there's actually a different design underneath, but that is not something that I would recommend because this is just a very beautiful aesthetic over the top. You guys can see this swoosh over here is actually stitched in, and it kind of like fades as it goes towards the back of the sneaker. Again, this is made through Clot, which is a company out in China, which is why why there's Asian aesthetics running throughout the shoe, and you guys can see that little coin over here with some kanji writing over the top. So if you guys are balling and you guys want to get a really nice gift for somebody, then I think this would be a really good choice, because trust me, if I received this gift, I would be really stoked over this. Again, if you guys need to treat yourself, guys. This is a solid sneaker to have in your collection, and just a really, really beautiful shoe. So it's crazy that there's actually a tier like after the Ballin tier. I know it's hard to believe what could be more expensive than a $350 to $500 range, but there really is. And this tier I'm actually dubbing as your family and your friends will love you forever tier if you guys spend this kind of coin, because these sneakers are actually going in the price range of $450 to $650. It requires a lot of money, guys. So this one is definitely not for everybody, but trust me, your friends and family will love you forever if you get these sneakers, because these are pretty much an upgraded version of the last sneaker that we saw. It's a Clot Nike collab, and you guys can see that this box is even super well made and intricate in design. Again, picked up through GOAT. This one is a 10.5, and I can't wait to open this one up because I really want to see this in person after we just saw that Jordan 1 mid. Whoo, baby, man. This is a good shoe. So this pair right here is the Air Force 1 Clot collab in like a royal blue silk colorway, man. I don't even know what to say, man. Like, I'm tongue-tied. This is a very fire sneaker. Air Force 1 collab with Clot, and this design is just really, really nice. You guys can see that blue meshes really well with that gum sole. White midsole over here really just creates a good contrast in color, and again, you guys can see that premium silk quality material up here with Clot kind of like designs throughout the shoe, and you guys can see that the tongue is made of like high quality leather too. So it's just overall a really well made and like intricate design. I think that's underappreciated by a lot of people because they don't really understand like what Clot is. It's not Travis Scott or whatever, so people don't really want to buy it. But trust me, in terms of like quality control on a sneaker and just aesthetically like well made, this is a shoe that you guys need to cop if you want your family and your friends to love you forever. So these are sold out everywhere except on GOAT app, so cop it through GOAT. Again, you guys can check out these prices over here. They're going for about $450 to $650 or so, which is a very high price, but still I think it is a good thing if you guys want to like really impress like a girlfriend or a boyfriend or a family member, and you know, you just want to show your love for them. And I know no matter what shoe you guys are at, the budget tier, the Ballin tier, the friends and family will love you forever tier, no matter what it is, guys, it's a season of giving, and it's a good time to get those sneakerheads that you love something they'll really enjoy. Again, you guys can cop any of these shoes on GOAT app and look for those green arrows on those shoes so you guys can get it like instantly shipped, so you'll have it in time for the holiday season, in time for Christmas, guys. GOAT app is 100% legit, 100% authentic, and the only place that I trust to get these shoes from, so check it out, guys. I will link in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots.